The scaredy birds went away. Right, Teak? Getting you up here. Say good morning, Tiki. Tiki. Tiki talk. Are you ignoring me? Hey, say hello. And the birds have a feather and a butterfly pea plant. Wonderful. Looks like little orchids you can put on a salad as a nice presentation. Dry them for a tea, purple tea. They're very, very good for you. Papa's windmill. There's the birds. We got doves, of course, lots of them. And Franklin's come, Javas, parakeets. There's the parakeets, yay! They're so beautiful. Oh, what scared them? Scaredy birds. And there's the parakeet. Hi, little parakeet. So beautiful. These are funny birds. The parakeets got such personalities. And there's Mina's sometimes, Franklin's. Once in a while, there are cardinals. There's two of them. The male is beautiful. The female's drab looking, as it is in nature for birds. Oh, must be his partner or her partner. Javas, another Java, and lots of Javas. Sometimes there's little yellow sparrows, but they are, I'm told they're, people call them finches. They don't have a finch beak. They have a sparrow beak. There's so many varieties though, just like the parakeets. There's huge ones here I've never seen anywhere else. I mean, little parakeets my uncle used to raise, along with quail, cockatoos. There's no pigeons in Hawaii, they say. These are doves. So Franklin, I don't know, can't remember. The bigger ones. Maybe have a beautiful day. Oh, look at the parakeet's knocking the seeds out because he wants a certain one. Cute. Green one and a blue one. They've been here for years. Oh well, scaredy birds.